Denali half cab. We're here at Commentary. I'm picking up the sample for the shirt that's gonna be in program next month. Or I might actually release it in like the next following weeks. I don't know. It was supposed to be released last drop, but we didn't get around to it. Too much shit going on. Start my new job on Wednesday. You guys keep asking me about my job, and now I didn't start it because it was a long hiring process. Anyway, yeah, long hiring process, state-funded place. I gotta pass a lot of tests to get up in there. Start that Wednesday, January 2nd. Anyway, we're gonna pick up this shirt. I'm excited to show you. I've had this design ready to print since September, and it's fucking sick. It kind of looks like a Madball t-shirt, for those that know. Hey, how's it going? Wow, this is nice. They got a,
Hi.
This is Claire. This is my girlfriend.
Nice to meet you.
They got a bigger place
Wow.
and more people. This place is blowing up. This is Claire.
Hi.
Sorry.
Nice to meet you.
Hey. Claire, this is Josh. Josh is Claire.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice shirt, man. Oh, dude, the bassist watches my videos.
Really?
Yeah. Shout out to that guy. I forgot your name, but amazing.
The drummer's the drummer of Fall Out Boy.
I know. That's fucking insane.
Yeah, he
was like, you're wearing my band's shirt. I was like, shut the hell up.
yeah.
That's amazing. Very stoked on how this shirt came out. I've known about this shirt, like I said, since September. And I held off. And it was so hard for me to hold off on making this and throwing this in the fall line because I just love this design. It's so sick to me. I was actually really hesitant about using it just for the program drop because it's gonna be like, I wanted to put it on the site because I know that it'll do well because I know it's a sick shirt, but this fits with program given the design and the nature of program skating sound with like doing shows and stuff. So I felt like it just went well together. Gotta make a sacrifice. But yeah, these will be available sometime this month. I'll let you guys know. Thanks, Beck.
Check it out.
Cut. I really like taking you guys in there because I think that it's cool that I have this opportunity with this platform, and since I'm now building this brand, to show you like the behind the scenes of how everything's made. And I think that that's kind of a cool perk because you don't typically get to see that stuff of like what's being done behind the scenes. And I mean, obviously there's certain stuff I'm not gonna show because I gotta keep some stuff private in order to have a successful brand. But like I get to pick up samples and show you guys the samples before like it's the final product released. I don't know, I just think it's cool. I think it like helps us like build more of a relationship, not only with like me and you guys, but also the brand and you guys. And I think it just makes it more intimate, and that kind of stuff is definitely important to me and always has been important to me. Like all the things that I'm into, like skating and hardcore, all that stuff is super intimate. And I know that sounds borderline corny and cheesy, but it's the truth, because if it wasn't the truth, I probably wouldn't be as into the passions and hobbies that I'm into.
Wow, that was beautiful.
Thanks.
That was so insightful.
Thanks.
You're so deep.
None of this is going in.
Are you scratching your crotch?
No, my balls are... Yeah, I was. I'm hanging out at Claire's. It's New Year's Eve, and I'm sitting here with Dan and Claire, and they're drinking. And my tolerance is just getting lower and lower
Don't say
as
that.
the night goes on. I hate hanging out with people who are drunk, but this is the exception right now.
Oh my god, we're having fun. We drinking's stupid.
Do you have any idea what time we'll get out of here? He likes to work late. He said, "I'll be-"
You know, you're just promoting drinking because I look like I'm having the time of my life. Because I am.
Oh, there will be footage later when you guys are throwing up.
I've literally... I'm such a lightweight, I'm literally drinking like...
Don't say that!
I'm not gonna be throwing up later.
Yeah, she's not. Say something that he can't put on his vlog.
I'm gonna suck your dick later instead.
Ah! It's funny, he's still gonna put that on his vlog.
Probably. No one's safe here.
I'm gonna suck your dick.
Oh.
Claire.
Before we go, I just want to say thank you guys for sticking with me. The last 2 weeks, I haven't uploaded as much as I would have liked to. Last week was the holidays, so I was up in Portland and spending the whole time with Claire and her family, and there just wasn't a lot going on to film, wasn't a lot of skating happening. And then this week, on Wednesday, as I stated earlier in the video, I started my new job. So I am learning how to juggle all of that. Now we will do it. The videos will not slow down, but this is the first week in doing so. So I got to get out today and film all day and make stuff happen. So I'm dividing all this footage that I have up into 2 videos so you guys can get a little bit more content. Since I've been editing my videos differently now anyway. And the feedback's been great. You guys seem to like it, so I'm gonna keep doing it until you don't like it. Also, it works really well for my very busy schedule now. One last thing. In either March or the end of February, we are coming out with a very big slam and drop. A lot of exciting items in this drop specifically because there were things that I wanted to make the last 2 drops. I've been working for this drop since like October. I've been trying to get everything in order and getting all of the product that I want in this drop. So I've been working really hard on it. We've been working really hard on it. And I'm really excited. So that's coming. I wanted to do like a short 10-minute, 15-minute mini full length, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. If that can happen, if we can all make that happen, this little crew that I've been having lately, if we can make that happen, I'm gonna do so. But if not, then I would like to do something more towards the end of the spring in terms of a mini full length, maybe beginning of summer. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm really excited on this spring drop. A lot of stuff in there that I know you guys are gonna love. Anyway, thank you for sticking with me. Thank you guys all for the support. I just wanted to say that. I don't say this enough.